What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Holder. This weekend I'm going to bring you guys along with me. We are going to be exploring Ubud, and what better way to start the trip than hiking to a waterfall. So we're in North Bali. Let's go check it out. What's its name?
Harry.
Harry. Wow, bagus. Bagus Harry.
This is bagus, this is Harry. You can do it.
Okay, come on. What is this?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Yeah, now passion fruit.
Makasih.
Yeah. Oh,
So fresh. Oh, it's so sweet.
sour,
Sour, right?
What?
Mine's
Yeah.
sweet.
You lying to the people.
No,
Whoa.
Bali is full of so many beautiful waterfalls, and this is one of the biggest. We are at Sekumpul waterfall located in North Bali, and we're about to embark on one of my absolute favorite hikes. This is called the Lost Tour, and it's hosted by Bali Customized Tours. And don't worry guys, I got you. I'm gonna go ahead and link all of the information for this hike in the description below. So if you're planning a trip to Bali, you guys can take this same hike as well. I love this tour so much because the travel agency will not only pick you up from your villa in Canggu or Ubud or Uluwatu, guide you on this amazing hike where you get to visit many waterfalls, walk through rice paddies, and really just get a better view of the more rural side of Bali.
okay, so we've just finished our little hike. We've got fresh coconuts.
Coke Zero.
Ryan's got his Coke Zero, which I'm so surprised that they even have. Red banana fried, super sweet. Balinese coffee. Yep. Got some mee goreng and a little chicken satay. Ayam satay.
You also get a free meal, a coconut, they bring you the Balinese coffee at the very end of it, and my absolute favorite part is that you don't have to walk back at the end of the hike because it is quite a bit of walking and lots of stairs, but you actually get a ride back on a bike, which is so nice.
All right, we are back from the hike now. It is the next day. We are in our beautiful villa in Ubud. And Simona, if you guys remember from her birthday vlog. And Vici, come here. Oh, she's going to the bathroom. 1 minute, please. So we are just getting ready. We're gonna go to dinner and possibly, maybe, just maybe, we'll go out tonight. So we'll see. And you guys remember my Vici. Okay, let's go eat.
Girl.
So we should either do.
You can dress them up, but you can't take them out.
The black.
My dad makes it.
We just got home for dinner, and the very first thing that we do, put on our pajamas. Now I'm gonna go see where everybody else is at.
Stop looking at me like that! I'm gonna pop up my legs into
Oh my God!
Can you do it? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Hey, we got it.
Woo!
Oh my God! That's amazing!
She's crazy. Wow, we did it.
Let's see, hit a pose. Hey, oh, not the triceps. Oh, hey, Vici, let's see that back. Oh, get him. Whoa! Don't do it to him. And she's gone. Oh no! Oh!
I don't know what was going on out there. Yeah, I don't know. I looked back, I just saw backflips and shit.
I was closing my eyes. I was closing.
Zoom in. Maybe I should open my eyes.
Oh, that's funny.
Tell me you don't see the resemblance.
You're so happy. It's beautiful. You have such a beautiful smile.
Few moments later.
My girlfriends literally crack me up. Oh my god, I was laughing so hard. So right before we went out to dinner, which I didn't take any videos of it because we were so busy taking photos, we were doing a whole photo shoot. I was taking Simona's photo, Simona was taking Vici's photo, Vici was taking my photo. Like, we were going crazy. We were doing outfit changes, we were doing everything, and it was like, we were supermodels. Like, we were on the ground taking so many photos. I'm gonna put photos up so you can see what we look like. And then we were like, oh, let's get like some photos together. Like, come on girls, like let's take some pics together. When I tell you I handed the camera over to Ryan, it was so funny. We all got so stiff and awkward and we were like, hey guys. And we were dying looking at the photos, laughing so hard because of how awkward we got once Ryan came to take our photos, when we were literally acting like supermodels 5 seconds prior to that. So going to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Everyone's awake.
So much energy. Good morning.
Isn't it so nice out here? Where are we headed?
We're headed to the, what was the name?
Cretya.
Cretya to turn up. Pool party. Let's go.
See you there. Okay, we are going to the monkey forest, the monkey sanctuary.
We're gonna get jumped by some monkeys.
Yeah, pretty much. He's so cute. They're fighting.
Look at them.
Fuck, look at his arm.
Is he bleeding?
Yeah, he's bleeding.
What happened to him?
He bit him.
Oh,
There's a
damn.
bite?
Oh, he's hurt.
His arm's hurt. Oh, his arm's hurt.
Yeah, I can't even use it.
We just saw a literal monkey fight. I don't know what happened or who said what, but the monkeys were not happy and they were chasing each other. He had cuts on his arm, and then the other one was standing like on this stone and was like hooing at the other monkey that was like across the way. And now we see this one here. They're so cute.
It was fun, but a little bit nervous and scary.
The monkey did scratch you.
I don't know where, it's like I felt it,
There's
but
a little red here. honestly.
Cool. See, like he grabbed me, looked at me, looked away. I was like, oh yeah, the second look should not look.
Good morning. We are checking out of our lovely villa out here in Ubud. It was such an awesome stay. This view was amazing. Being out here with the rice paddies right outside of our door.
This guy just smacked the door. I was like, oh shit.
Why does he do that?
He
Right,
kinda
I'm sure
got me
you
out of
did.
it, but at the same time, it's like,
Okay, let's go find a coffee shop on our way to back to
No.
Canggu.
what's wrong here?
Right.